Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz, and today I do have this OEM scanner. They call it STUI, and also have this Foxwell scanner. Yep, this is the OEM one. This is the scanner you need when you're working on a Hyundai. This guy is capable of doing everything for a Hyundai vehicle. But my favorite is, if we go ahead and select GDS Smart. Not sure if by removing my headlight will help you guys to see better. There we go. My favorite part is when you press Toolbox, this guy right here, the actuation test. Actuation test, basically, you can able to turn the component on by using just the scanner. So let's say I'm having a problem with my multifunction switch, it's not turning on my wiper blade. Now I can use the actuation test by turning on those wiper blade using the body control module. So let's go ahead and look for a body control module. Here we go, the IBU BCM. Let's select that one. Alright, on the bottom portion, there is, I have to go look for it. There is an option here that I can turn on the wiper blade. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and select that one and press start. There you have it. So by having that kind of feature, you can test from the body control module all the way to the wiper motor. It's good. Now I'm suspecting my multifunction switch. Well, there's nothing wrong with this multifunction switch. I'm just trying to show you guys what this OEM scanner can capable of doing. Again, this is an OEM. Everything you need to fix Hyundai, ECU update, calibration, this guy can do it all. But let's check the Foxwell really quick. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unplug my VCI. I'm going to wear my headlight so you guys can see. There we go. Plug this in. All right. Okay. Remove the headlight maybe. There we go. Now let's select Diagnosis. And there is like a VIN right here that you can press. And it's going to give you an option, automatic read or manually entry. Let's select automatic read. Right now he's scanning the vehicle. There you go. We got a Santa Cruz. Select that one. 2.5 turbo GDI T3 engine. USA. Yep, that's our vehicle. And there's an option here. It says quick scan or control module. We're going to go select the control module and look for BCM. It's right here, IBU BCM. We'll go ahead and select that one. Okay, so you got some options here. We're going to do the active test right there. We're just about to find out if this guy is capable of doing what the OEM scanner does. Okay, now let's go ahead and look for wiper. There we go. I got wiper low speed relay. We'll go ahead and select that one. Let's see what happened. All right, so we are ignition on. Press OK. And there is like a little start button here. I'm going to go ahead and press it. Let's see what happened. It's waiting. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try it again. Wow. So, clearly, guys, this Foxwell is capable of doing what, not all, but at least portion of the OEM scanner. This guy can do it too. So wait, so what else this guy can do? How about wiper high speed relay? This one is going to be faster. Ooh. All right. Cool. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and select the engine right here. How about the fuel pump relay? Let's select that one. Ignition on, engine off. Okay. And start. Oh yeah, it's on right now. Yep. So he can do that too. Also, we can check the live data. You know what? Let's go ahead and find out if there is a misfire count in this scanner as well. That's also my favorite feature on this OEM scanner. Let's see if we can able to do that here. Water temperature at start. Ooh, it'll give you that information as well. Here we go. You got total counter of emission relevant misfire on cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, this one is only 4 cylinder. Yep, so it has a misfire count as well. Guys, this is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on my Toyota 4Runner. Let's see what happened. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this in. Alright, this is my 2021 Toyota 4Runner. I'm gonna go ahead and press the VIN number right here. Auto read. Alright, so we are Toyota. Smart VIN. Yep, this is with a smart key. Press that. There you go. You got my information here. Press OK. Let's go quick scan. Ooh, I do have a fault. I never scanned this vehicle. Well, the check engine light is not on. There's no issue. Why would I, right? But this guy found something here. All right. Wow. There is a lot of DTC here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh. You know what? We're not gonna mess with those. Let's go ahead and click body. Hopefully we can able to see body control module. It's thinking. Still thinking. It's thinking way too long. Alright, so let's go ahead and press the active test right here. Let's see what else we can do with this Foxwell scanner on my Toyota 4Runner. Okay. So door lock. Driver door unlock. Headlight. Horn. Okay. All right. Can we lock the door? Okay, let's try it. Door key. Let's try the door key switch locked. Let's see what he does. Door lock off. We can lock that. Holy cow. It locked it. Unlocked. This is cool. Locked. Unlocked. Are you guys seeing this? That is cool. Okay, let's see this rear wiper washer relay. Let's try that. Okay. It's gonna give you all kind of options here. Then we have to look for that. But this is cool, guys. I am loving it. It says all rear. There's no front wiper, but we'll keep looking. Alright, so I can't find the front one, but let's go try the rear. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and on. Oh my goodness. It's right there. Start leaking. Stop. You guys see that? I'm gonna do it again. Oh, there you go. Stop. Oh, this is cool. It says trunk and back door open. Let's see here. Oh, I don't know if I do have enough room. My wife parked so close. No, we're not gonna do that. Alright guys, again, this is Foxwell Scanner. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.